Hi, good morning everyone. I'm in Windsor. This is actually days ahead of the coronation, and I think it's a very nice day today as well, so maybe it's worth vlogging. And this is me going down. I use the stairs because I want to see the surroundings. Is the view you can see from the other side of the train station, and at the back side is actually the water, or the Victoria Garden Park. So let's go there. So look at the goodies. Interesting goodies here with the Union Jack flag of United Kingdom. So this is such a nice stuffed toy as well, and I think they're the same as from the one on top. Yeah, they're the same. They're the same. Just put that back. And got the eco bags available here, and there are some more shops going there as well. It's very interesting to see how the ambience and the vibes here is very relaxing. And look at that. Look at this. It's very nice. So let's get into the park. So look at my background. That pink cherry blossom is still on. Wow, a miracle. Diri ang nice kaayong area. So that one is the rail track. Nindot kaayo dire. Presko kaayo. So mao ni ang achievement ako for today. Early nag-adto og mas, early naman ta, early ni adto og mas. Kasi I want to come here and see the place. So kuan gyud ni siya dire kanang dire pi mi magmore ang mga yate. Look at that. Look at the boats are coming from Maidenhead side. Hi, kalamit dire ka presko. Presko kaayo. Pag rich gid ka no, daghan kay kag ma-achieve sa buhay. And there's another boat there. Right. So, enough about the water. Hindi kaya. Sakay-sakay lang gid sila sa barko. So, another tourist attraction diri sa Windsor is the boat, or the Windsor Doctors, kasi that boat could be driven in the road, and it could also go into the water. So nindot kaayo. But let's go to the high street. Let's see what's going on there. Let's see unsay mga decorations, unsay mga ganap sa high street. I've seen wonderful pictures from my friend in Facebook, and it's kind of interesting, so it is really worth going. So watch out, guys. Watch out, friends. Wow, it looks like nice shooting diri. Murag Bollywood film. Yeah. Yeah. This is a production crew for a Bollywood film, maybe. And the actresses. Did you see that? I just saw like a film crew or something. Yeah. This must be. Na kailangan mga equipments. So it's definitely a production crew. So, light, camera, action. Siguro ka na siyang director. Wow. Hala ka, nawala ko. Wala na siya exit. So so towards there, that's the end. Water na siya. So you cannot just go across the other side because it's already water. There's no bridge or anything. Let's see. Wala ba siya makita? Yeah. Wala. Okay. So this is actually the end. This piece of land. This is actually the end of this piece of land. Wala na siya exit towards the other side of the water. Now what you need to do is to go back and go across the bridge. Okay. Never mind. Lakaw pa more. Wala ni. But walking is good. I really love walking a lot. Especially this kind of weather. It's so beautiful. So yeah. Okay, wala ko choice. I have to go back to where the Bollywood people are filming. Magian ako silang balik. Being aside, tanawa kagadula silang bowling. Mo ni ang real bowling, guys. Mo ni ang tinuod nga bowling. Outdoor. Oh, kanang mga bowling nga nakita nato karon indoor na siya, pero ang origin gid sa bowling is this. Mo na sila mga players diha. They call it the club. Oh. Windsor and Eton Bowling Club. 90th anniversary. Hala ka. Dugayan na ba di ay? So, mo na ilang mga bola. Yung bubbles. Excited ako mo kita sa High Street. Wow. King Charles III is about to be crowned in the next few days. What a very historical moment here. Wow. The Ivy Hotel entrance decoration is so stunning. Very, very stunning. Look at that. Pero, why is it the lion as a crown? I wonder if what this one symbolizes, but there must be something in it. So Windsor Castle update. It's under reconstruction. Unlike the last time during the funeral of the late Queen or the late Her Majesty, puno kani direng tao. At the streets. Mut kayo among burgers dire. But this restaurant, I so love this restaurant. They really do a very, very nice pancakes. The last time I've been here was during the Queen's funeral, and So we're going to have breakfast or lunch. So, ang lady nag-Chabacano. No? Actually, it's Espanyol.
Está aquí en esta calle a la izquierda. Clare se llama. Es un edificio pequeñito. En los 40 no tiene.
So, here's the long walk. Wala kay ganap diri, friends. Mingaw siya. So, from this point to that point, looks normal. Very opposite to the Queen's funeral last year. Look. I can just adjust my...
The weather is good, so we are fine. Waiting for the Queen.
So, a lot of people, like, if not hundreds, thousands. So, how's your day?
Hungry. No, not hungry.
So, what is good about this event? Shops where people can buy fresh coffee and cheers! Oh yeah.
You see?
Say hi to my... Thank you. That was funny. They say plug it in, plug it in. Then I plug it in. So I finally got this biscuit, the commemorative biscuit for coronation. Yeah. Hello! Hi! Good morning! Good afternoon! Today, two of my friends are coming over. I don't know kung asa may mga to. Maybe a surprise. Mag-celebrate lang daw kami sa post-King's coronation. I don't know. Maybe in the park, maybe in another park. But definitely in the park. So, see you friends later! Tanawa, ako mga friends na sila.
Hi! I come to collect the parking that she didn't pay.
But why? What's your occupation today?
I'm a traffic warden on your port.
Where are we going? Oh, sige, go.
We're going to one of your castle. Buckingham?
Buckingham.
Sandringham?
Sandringham.
Yes.
Oldham.
Windsor?
Where are we going? Oh. Yeah, that's what I told you, friends. Two of my friends are coming over, and yeah, here they are, and they're collecting me because we're going somewhere. So, naana may diri sa Malexco Bakery Pastry.
Kaon mo ini nga bread, pareha mo naong ni Loy. Mga bata mo.
Silang doon.
Amo, unsa imong ikasulti dong?
Okay. Done the coffee. We just have to wrap the vlog here.
Done.
Yeah. So we're just going to end the vlog here. Thank you
Not
so
end yet, but we just have to go somewhere special.
So after the celebration,
After the celebration, because everyone is
everyone's hungover.
so we try to
We're chilling out now. We're going to a place called
Your garden. Where?
for your garden.
Pindot kaayo ang place.
Long walk. We're in the long walk.
Long walk, yeah.
This is a short walk lang. Wa man long.
Short walk, yeah.
Kuyog niloy mga buwan.
So,
It's a dilly dog.
yeah, she is called, or he is called, the dilly duck.
Donald Duck.
Can you hear she's talking or he's talking? Hello?
A boyfriend.
Kanindot. Ay,
Isa
kanindot.
panping oh. Kayo da mo. Ping ba?
Yeah.
Pandako kay ra pero panindot.
What did you see, Kevin? Water fountain. It's a place where, you know, everything is all over is so tranquil. And wow. There's a road.
No, I mean, look, the water is
Yeah.
cascaded. Yeah.
No, it's actually a lake, Kevin. It's a lake. Guys, it's so beautiful here. Yeah. Sorry. This is supposed to be I'm very surprised to be here, but we did not expect that how beautiful the place is. And can you hear the birds again? They're singing. And look at the wow. So we never knew this place existed. Not until today, and it's really beautiful. So the one across is called the Stoke Poges. You can see that the Stoke Poges golf course. And it's so beautiful. And of course, this trip has been made possible of my friends who brought us down here, Jessie. Oh, kasi ang
Klaro ang iyang
bapa kay
Like
kate.
bacon crisp.
This is Wisteria.
You can't see me. Okay, Lee.
Smile.
Talk about.
God, what you
Just be
done?
careful you don't fall.
Please.
How much? That bloke's at £50. It's
Wild
Correct.
cards, so they're great
Yeah.
into my party. But not at this time because we haven't really planned.
Yeah.
That plan was so quick. What happened to all the lavender we nicked? You didn't bring it? What happened to it? At sa ako, what? Sige, pagawan.
Pungang tumikitis ang birthday.
Okay, what is this? So, maraming salamat, Gar. 3 na lang ang natira out of 6. Masarap talaga siya. Thank you. And here's another gracia dito. This is Ate's homemade scones, which is very popular dito sa Britain. But this one is a bit different because it has colors in it. Like brown because she put in some raisins, and I'm not sure for the red one, but it could be either cherries or strawberry, like a slice into pieces. And of course, hindi rin mawawala ang chocolate muffin. Salamat Kaite for the gracia. Mamwa. Yum yum. Okay friends, that's all about for the vlog today. And see you next time. Bye!